everyone, welcome to some off-campus cooking. Hope you're staying safe. Today we're going to cook scones. These are a simple scone recipe. Add things if you want, take things out if you haven't got it. I didn't have self-raising flour, I made my own. It's quite simple. See ya. Okay, first thing, I didn't have self-raising flour, so what I did was added 2 teaspoons of baking powder per cup of plain flour. I've got 3 cups of self-raising flour in a bowl. I'm adding 80 grams of butter cut into small chunks. I'm going to rub that through, lift, rub, rub, drop, make a well. I'm adding between 1 and 1 1/4 cups of milk. I'm going to cut it through with a knife till it forms a soft dough. Pat this out till it's flat. Use something to cut your little circles or cut them into squares, it doesn't really matter. I can make them match up and sit next to each other. I brush them with some milk into an oven, 200 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. Done. Pull them apart. Look at this, delicious. Put some jam on there, some cream, off you go. Stay safe people, see you when we're back at school. Enjoy.